Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
I'm able to use the songs that I didn't make in this video because I am either friends with the musician or it's available through Creative Commons. You can't just take your favorite song and put it in a YouTube video, unless it's under Creative Commons and with proper credit. So don't go thinking that you can after hearing music that isn't my own in my video. The songs used in this video are linked in the description, as they always are.
Why won't Mom like this music?
Because it's Phantasmic.
I thought she likes Phantasmic.
Well, Phantasmics, they don't have Phantasmic.
Yeah, that's true. Anyway, it's day whatever. Actually, you know what today is?
What?
Today is the halfway point between our trip.
Hey,
We still have half our trip to go.
I know that's crazy.
But we got Group 62 for Rise of the Resistance. We'll probably hang out in Fantasyland until then. But we have made no plans.
I think that makes sense to go to Peter Pan
You
now.
haven't made any plans, you just used a couple negative.
Uh-oh, we didn't have many unknown plans. That means we had some plans. We had many plans. But yeah, we'll go to Peter Pan, Alice, Matterhorn, and then wherever the wind blows.
We have the whole place to ourselves. Everyone else is sitting on Main Street getting crushed. And crush the people right there.
And we've done everything we really want to do, except for a few things.
Yeah.
So we'll just sit back and watch like Willie and other classic cartoons.
Yeah.
We are on our way to the Matterhorn, our first attraction of the day. Agreed? Matterhorn? Okay. And then Alice, and then we'll work our way back and see Peter Pan. And then I think we'll hit all the dark rides in Fantasyland. Nice. Alice just might be the best dark ride in the park. And now we're going on maybe the best boat ride in the park? Yeah, it's probably Pirates, but still. pretty good steel coaster, especially considering it's the first one ever made.
Yeah.
It's a fun ride. It's a lot longer than I remember it. You still like it, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good. And it's not that rough. I've been on much rougher steel coasters. And now we're off to the last dark ride for us in Fantasyland and the park, Peter Pan's Flight. We have successfully done every dark ride in both parks. Now we're strolling our way back to Galaxy's Edge, the back entrance. And getting pictures with Ariel, I think. Yeah, that's Ariel. How you feeling?
Okay.
That's good. Huh. He almost got his nose right. No, they haven't. As far as I know, there's no upgrades. But I said we did all the dark rides. I forgot about Pooh, but I also forgot. Well, actually, I knew that it was open. I checked yesterday, and it was no longer on their refurbished list. Yeah, I think it was more a staffing issue than anything else. So, we'll do this one then, Galaxy's Edge. What?
And we get our honey bar sticky stuff.
Yes, we do.
Piglet didn't give him a present.
Alright, we got 15 minutes for our boarding group.
And our burger is flipping.
Our burger is flipping, and we're at
Docking Bay 7. The Galaxy's Edge. We're trying one of each item except for one of the juices. We're having every single thing that they have on the menu except for the
veggie.
vegetarian platter.
exciting.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it is. What are your guesses on how many of the three are going to be good?
All of them are going to be good.
I think so too. How many of them do you think you will like?
Like one.
One.
I think you'll like two.
Ew, mashed potatoes. So, and we got this yummy food here, this yummy drink here. Alright. I can't decide. I guess I'll have the flat roast first. Or,
Well, we can
what's it called?
We can share both, can't we?
Yeah, of course. You're
What do
petting
you
it?
think
Here,
Take a piece and eat it.
yeah, take a piece and eat it.
You'll know what it is.
Yeah, you'll know it. A big piece. Yeah, just that. Take the whole thing. What is it? Just like a cupcake, like the
Cake,
inside of a
it's
cake. Yeah,
cake.
it's the inside of a cake. We're almost done with our meal. All three were good. Actually, was the chicken good? You never got that.
There's yours?
Yeah, that was good.
Uh-oh.
3 for 3. Wait, Aaron, what does the inside look like?
I don't know.
Take a guess.
Like, pink. Like, chocolate, like brown.
Purple.
I think it's gonna look like the outside.
Let's do the big reveal. Oh, it's a sun.
Kind of looks like
A planet.
Looks like it might taste like a zebra dome.
It looks good.
It does. We decided we're still hungry, so we're eating at a Bricks wood-fired pizza place. Look behind you. Does it kind of look like a...
Yeah, here comes our pizza out of the brick-fired oven.
We're pretty deep into the queue of Rise of the Resistance. Soon we will depart, right? Alright, Well, we messed up. We caused the fall of the resistance. And yeah, the First Order won.
They caught us.
Yeah, they did. They detained us for about, what, 20 minutes they detained us?
At least.
Yeah. All right, hold on 1 second. Let me get out of here and we'll explain. Well, what happened there?
We already said in the last video.
But it broke down? We didn't really, I just said we lost. But it broke down in a room. How much can we actually say? We were probably the last ones off. And I'd say we were about 3/4 of the way through the attraction.
I don't know.
Yeah, but anyway, I'd love to tell you more, but we can't. But it was a lot of fun. We sat there for quite a while. That was probably the best ride to walk out of, you think? The back room was really interesting.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we can't say anything more than that. Spoilers. That's it? Alright, I think we're going to head over to DCA, have some coffee, right? Then we can... Yeah, well, we're not sure what we're going to do back. We'll probably come back here later in the evening and re-ride it, obviously. We got Fast Pass to come back. Off we go. What? I bet that ride's even cooler at night for the outdoor parts.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, we should wait till about 9.
Not 9. 9's in the
Oh, by 9, yeah. 8:30. 8:45. Anyway, we're having Dole Whips here. Right? It's not as pretty as it once was, but it's very good. How's yours?
Good.
Do you like it better than a pineapple mango? I mean, regular pineapple? Or?
No.
At least you got something different to try.
Where's Rosita?
I like
Where-
the line for the hot dog. It's short.
Yeah, that is pretty short. We haven't had a... Oh, well, it's not bad. But we almost got a macaron. But we decided to go back there for dinner because their sandwiches look pretty good. Oh, Main Street's really quiet. So we're gonna check out Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln again, or we're gonna mosey around wherever we want to go this afternoon.
Look into Esmeralda. She's moving!
What did you know?
Gather close, my dear, closer, or you may not hear destiny drifting down the lane, up one way and back again all along the streets of Maine. As for where your future goes, that is for Esmeralda to know. Follow along wherever it flows, tingling your every sense, and let this tour commence.
The end. Thank you, Esmeralda. The last video was us eating the whips.
The lips, and I don't think we did anything except relax and went to
Mr. Lincoln.
yeah.
There you go. Aaron's gonna eat most of the beignets, I think, right? Can I have one?
I need one too.
Alright. But relaxing afternoon. Yeah, no one was
That's what the next 2 days are gonna be. Just do whatever you want to do.
And eat.
Be sure to bring your birth certificate.
Obviously, we're just leaving. It's a small world. We're going to be going around. Do you want to go through Galaxy's Edge or do you want to go through Frontierland?
To go where?
Anywhere. Nowhere in particular. We're merrily on our to nowhere in particular. We are walking past, obviously, New Orleans Square, so we're going to go on Peter Pan next. just showing us the way to the treasure.
Your fortune awaits below. I did not.
Ooh, we got a free one. We didn't spend a quarter for that.
The best fortune read here, and have I tell for ye. Saw the lowest mass of all the king's navy. Long ago I acquired a grand palace. A treasure I took when I followed the cook Catholic procession. Return on the morrow to unfuel the legend's
So there's a pro tip. Download the app. You get a free 25% fortune.
Oh, that's funny.
How so? It says the same thing you just got?
Yeah, so tomorrow if we come and do it, will it say chapter 2?
Maybe.
That'll be
Should we
crazy.
find out?
Yeah.
Now we're on the hunt to find the little man of Disneyland. And I always forget where he is. He's somewhere on this side of Adventureland. And he's by a tree. But is he on this side of Indiana Jones? Or on the other? I think it's this side. But I'm not 100% positive. I'm not even 50% positive. That's not the little guy. Nowhere to be found over out here. Okay. You found him already? Aww. The popcorn bucket.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Since we found him so fast, we're rewarding ourselves on a trip on Space Mountain.
This is a nice spot.
This is a nice
I'm
spot.
excited.
We just used the secret bathrooms in the
I
tiki
didn't
room.
even know they existed.
Yeah.
And I found a magical lamp that you can rub, and I didn't know that existed either.
Hey, in your secret bathroom, did you get free
Yeah.
women's needs?
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna have a nice, relaxing dinner. This truly is, it's a small world land, isn't it? The music's... Oh yeah, the line's nothing. You want to just hang out for a second?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, first time doing single rider. Kind of cool hallway. Wonder how much of the queue, regular queue, we get to see.
You're hired. Private, gunners, engineer. Private, gunners, engineer. You'll be white. What color? White. Get to work.
The moon of Endor.
I don't know where the
Rises.
other two moons are.
Yeah, I don't
Not
know.
meant to. There's one of their moons and the other two, I don't know where they are.
Aaron's translating a trash can. Good use of his time. We did single rider Smuggler's Run. Did much better the second time around.
That's cool. It says trash to sector.
Cool.
Does this say the same thing? I think it does actually. Yeah, it does. Should we go find those other two translate?
And then we're gonna head over to Fall of the Resistance. Hopefully we rise. We see Baku this time. A little bit of a spoiler, I guess.
We actually got to go through.
Yeah, we rised of the Resistance. We didn't fall.
We're only about halfway through.
Yeah, you're right. I think we're about half. Still a great ride. It's great when you get cast members who are really into their parts.
Yeah.
It really helps a ton. Yeah, the Resistance guy.
The guy that was totally like here with the flashlight.
Right. Yeah. That was fun. Yeah. All right. We'll explore Batu a little bit more at night, and then that might be it.
Wish I could zoom in. It was funny. I said to Daddy, it'd be cool if we could go to Olga's for a drink, and then like, boom, our table's right here.
Yeah, right away.
Since we had to start Galaxy's Edge night, let's just end it here.
Right. Let's get back to bits. Whatever. Don't worry, Aaron's drink is non-alcoholic.
Mine isn't alcoholic either.
Yours
That's
isn't?
coffee.
Yeah, that's coffee. That's weird. And that's coffee too.
I don't even know.
You can really hear it well over here. Yay, we went to Olga's.
Yeah, another thing I'm pulling.
Did you like your drink?
Yeah.
What was it called?
Hyperdrive Punch It.
Cool. Hyperdrive Punch It.
That was good. I liked it. Mine was fine. It just wasn't all that exotic.
And Aaron ate all the Bantu bites.
Not all of them. Most of them.
Well, you tried them all.
Yeah.
And the Galaxy's Edge was so cool at night. Look at this. Oh, stormtroopers.
Does this look familiar to you?
No.
Yeah. Strange. Alright. This place is gorgeous at night. I know I said it never to take fireworks, but fireworks on a different galaxy is pretty cool. Don't you think?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh. Again, usually don't record fireworks, but when you're recording it over the wildest ride in the wilderness, it's okay. All after dinner. What did you just say? Say that again.
We went on Smuggler's Run, then Riser Resistance, then we had drinks at Olga's Cantina, and then we finished the night with Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Yeah, that's a good way to spend the last 2.5, 3 hours at the park. Actually, 2 hours. I think that we did that all in 2 hours. Because we didn't get to... yeah. Right. Yeah. We use our time efficiently now, don't we?
Well, we still have lots of time to relax.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it sounds like we rushed. Not the case at all. Oh, that's right. Tomorrow maybe we'll spend a little bit more time. We'll see. But you did say something earlier while we're in line for Big Thunder. Actually, while we're waiting for our train, you said something interesting.
What?
About the next couple days.
I don't remember. That we don't have to come.
Because
Today was awesome.
today was pretty much almost perfect. Yeah. Considering how busy it was.
No kidding. I mean, look at now.
Yeah.
I still think it's funny how I'm like, well, let's go to Olga's Cantina, and then you put a thing in it, and it's like, boom.
Yeah, boom, we're ready. Yeah.
We're gonna make it
Because you don't have to use this, but eventually I'm walking through it, just strolling through it at night is quite the thing to do. And I want to have this. And I don't want to just picture it in my mind.
It was a good day.
Oh, there's more.
Great day. Well, we never hopped. I wonder if we will tomorrow. I'm guessing we will.
My name is Maui. Natives call me the Mighty One.
strolling down the center of Main Street, while great in itself, I think we already recorded once. So, I'll keep that to myself.
Again soon. While the rest of the park closes, Main Street will remain open for your shopping convenience. Thank you.
I just wanted to hear that.
You wanted here to get out.
And they already left.
Goodbye, guys.
Wait, where's the videos?
Yeah, I didn't show it. But that's the line to get into World of Disney. Well, there's the end of line. Right. My t-shirts we can grab when we park up, either tomorrow or the next day.
I have a feeling on Sunday it'll be quieter.
Well, maybe. I'd rather do it during the day. But anyway, I guess I don't have to. Yeah, exit only. And I'm sure the back is exit only as well. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Well, this brings back memories now, doesn't it?
So.
We should be able to escape this way. I actually kind of miss this. Well, I don't kind of miss this. I do miss this. The only thing missing is that sign where it says Disneyland has early morning, so that's when we go to the other park. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Since this is the last time we're going to play a game at Grand California for a while, I figured I'll record it for posterity. Unless you want to watch some cartoons over here. Where did Mom go? Okay, there she is. Wait, she never comes around, does she? She just goes.
I know you're complaining, but I just got a shortcut for you.
We haven't gotten out yet.
That's true.
There's a guard check over here. We might get shoved back and tasered for our troubles.
I'll try to exit.
No, it will. This is fine. I bet we can exit this way.
I just don't think you can enter it.
Well, because they want to limit it. I mean, I don't blame them. The commoners were interrupting the flow with registered guests. I'd do the same if I owned this area. Good day. It's funny, it didn't seem like it was that busy a day, but I got over 25,000 steps, which was very impressive.
I felt like we said a lot.
I know. Seems like it was relaxing, but we ended up doing a lot. As you saw, it was a lot of fun, huh? What was your favorite part about today? I know what mine was.
I don't know.
What was yours, huh?
What was yours?
I liked being part of Fall of the Resistance. And we just sat in that. We were in the spot we were in for like easily 15 minutes.
Today was definitely our Star Wars day.
Yeah.
We had one really interesting lunch.
Yeah.
And then interesting drinks.
Uh-huh.
And we went on Rise of Resistance and Fall of Resistance.
1.5 times we went on it.
And Smuggler's Run.
Yeah.
And we saw Black Spire in the night.
Mm-hmm. But anyway, you saw all that. Great day. Tomorrow, hopefully, will be a great day. It's probably going to be the busiest of the days we're going to be.
Ever see.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if ever see, but yeah, we'll be busy. We're going to get an earlier start. So to get that earlier start, we better press that button nice and quick.
So we can go to sleep.
So we can
Good
go
night.
So Aaron, press that button so we can rest for tomorrow. Aaron, press the button.